Jai Hind everyone. So in this video I cover a summary of the portrait of a lady of class 11th English core. It is the first chapter of this book. So in this video I give a brief summary of this chapter and this will help you in your exam. So let's start this video. So this chapter is starting with the introduction of grandmother's appearance, how she looked and how she was in young stage. He is now very old. He is uh, he is short, little fat and tilted toward and he has a rosary in his hand. And every time she pray with his rosary, and she was too much old and has he she has wrinkled on his face. This show that she is very old, and his grandson means the poet of this story tell that his grandmother is not changing anymore, and saw him since 20 years, and she's appearance does not change, but grandmother confessed that when she was young she was very pretty, but poet can't imagine how she was too pretty because he saw him as a very old and not too much pretty, but he confessed that his grandmother is beautiful and pretty in this sense means pretty is considering the appearance of his grandmother, but beautiful appeals the inner soul of his grandmother. Then this story start, and in this story another paragraph tells how poets parents shifted in city and left him in village, and he lived with his grandmother. Daily grandmother woke up and wake up the and she उठा देती है अपने लड़के को, एंड देन शी मेक ब्रेकफास्ट एंड शी ऑल्सो टेक chapati for dog. The poet go to the school in which he learned alphabets as well as the prayer, because his grandmother said that only study is not the only solution. Also students have lesson of gods and the scriptures. His school is attached with the temple, and the saint of the temple teach the students in the school. So his grandmother take his children and go to the school, and then go to the school, and after after school is over, then he came back, and his grandmother give his grandmother feed dogs in the path in which they travel. And then his grandmother is very beautiful. His grandmother daily pray for God and do many things. One day the turning point of his life in his relationship, that that the poet's parents settled in the city, and वो बुला लेते हैं अपने बच्चे को ताकि वो वहां पे रह सके. देन दिस turning point breaks the relation between his grandson and the grandmother. Now the poet go to an English school in which he learned physics, chemistry, math, only academics, not the God and scripture. The grandmother very disappointed with this, and also the poet learned this music. This disturbed his grandmother because his grandmother not love the music. His grandmother thought that the music is only for the harlots and the beggars, which helped him to make money. So his grandmother is very disappointed, and during this, both the relations, both grandmothers and poets relation become weak, and but in beginning grandmother daily wake up and wake the poet and make a breakfast for him and go send him school. But now the grandmother not go to the school with poet. He do only two things in his whole day. First he spinning wheel, and in afternoon for half an hour he fed sparrows, which is very beautiful part of this lesson. And after some time the poet go abroad for the further studies for 5 years. During this, his grandmother very nervous and very silent. His grandmother very sentimental, and then he go to the station and leave the poet, and he kiss his forehead, which which is very loved by the poet. And then when he came back from the studies, he saw that his grandmother is still alive, and his grandmother on this day give a uncertain thing, unbelievable thing, that he hate the music, but on that day at evening he collect the neighbor women and sing, and take a old drum and start drumming and start singing homecoming warriors for his grandson. And after one day she become ill, and her grandmother his grandmother think that this is the last day, this is the last chapter of his, and she don't waste his time in talk. He only reciting his prayer, and he dead. This is all about this chapter. Thank you, and thank you very much.